Hello everyone! Welcome back here on my channel. This is me once again, Teacher Jinjin, your virtual teacher here on YouTube. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, gumagawa ako ng mga Tagalog tutorial videos mula grade 7 hanggang grade 11. Kung interesado ka, please like, subscribe at i-click mo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify ka kapag may bago akong upload na video. Kung gusto mong mag-advance learning sa inyong mga topics from 1st quarter hanggang 4th quarter, feel free to visit our playlist. Kompleto lahat yon. Okay, let's get started! Alright, so good day mga anak shis. Nandito na tayo sa learning task number 3. So, meron tayong tatlong parts dito. Graph the linear equations given the following using 2 points. Yung pangalawa ay using intercepts at yung pangatlo naman ay using slope and the point. Find the slope of each line, then describe the graph. Bibigyan ko lang kayo ng dalawang example para kayo na yung gumawa sa dalawa pa. Para matuto kayong mag-solve, okay? So, dito sa number 1, we have positive 2, negative 1 at positive 3, positive 2. Itinuro ko na kung paano mag-plot ng points sa Cartesian plane. So, unahin muna natin to positive 2, negative 1. Tingnan natin yung positive 2 dito sa x-axis. So, nandito yung positive 2. And then, yung negative 1 naman sa y-axis. So, nandito siya. So, saan sila nag-meet? Dito sa point na to. And then, we have positive 3, positive 2. Ito yung positive 3, ito yung positive 2. So, dito sila nag-meet. And then, ang next na gagawin nyo lang, i-connect nyo lang yung 2 points. So, gumamit kayo ng ruler, kung meron kayong ruler. Or straight edge. So, mag-connect na. So, yan na yung graph ng ating 2 points. So, this is positive 2, negative 1. At ito naman yung positive 3, positive 2. Ngayon, kunin din natin yung kanyang slope. Maalala nyo pa ba yung formula ng slope? That is m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, i-identify natin yung given. Ito yung x sub 1, ito yung y sub 1, x sub 2 at y sub 2. By substitution, that is equal to y sub 2 is 2 minus ang y sub 1 natin is negative 1 over ang x sub 2 is positive 3 minus ang x sub 1 natin is positive 2. Simplify. So, ito magiging 2. Negative times negative is equal to positive 1 over 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 over 1 and 3 divided by 1 is equal to positive 3. So, ang slope natin is positive 3. As you can see, kapag bibilangin ninyo yung units nito, we have rise over run. Tataas tayo ng 3 beses. Kaya 1, 2, 3. And then, di ba may run siya na positive 1 to the right. Kaya ang slope natin is 3 over 1. Pwede naman ganun, bilangin nyo lang. Pero, baka kailangan kasi ng solution. Kaya ganito ang kanyang solution. So, ano yung trend ng graph natin? Increasing ba or decreasing? It is increasing. Increasing yung graph natin. Kasi positive yung slope. Kapag negative, pababa, decreasing. And then, dito naman tayo sa number 3. We have positive 4, positive 3, and 0, positive 5. So, saan dito yung positive 4? Dito. Yung positive 3 naman ay dito. So, nandito yung point natin. Dito sila nag-meet. And then, we have 0, positive 5. Ang x-coordinate natin is 0. So, dito lang siya sa y-axis. Yung positive 5 nandito sa taas. Okay? So, ito yung ating line. So, this is positive 4, positive 3. And ito naman ay positive 0, positive 5. Then, using the slope formula, that is m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Ang given natin ay 4, positive 3 at 0, positive 5. So, this is x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. By substitution, ang y sub 2 natin is positive 5 minus ang y sub 1 is 3 over x sub 2 is 0 minus ang x sub 1 is 4. Simplify, 5 minus 3 is equal to positive 2. 0 minus 4 is equal to negative 4. Reduce to lowest term, that is equal to negative 1 over 2 or negative 1 half. As you can see, di ba ang slope dito is 2 over negative 4. Pag titingnan ninyo yung graph, tataas ng dalawang beses, that is rise, 1, 2, and then negative 4, kaya to the left siya. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, pwedeng ganun ang pag-identify ninyo ng slope. That is, pataas siya, that is 2, and then to the left ng 4 na beses, kaya negative 4. Yung graph natin ay decreasing kasi negative yung slope. So, the graph is decreasing. Pababa siya. Okay, so kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, kayo na ang mag-solve sa number 2 at number 4. Kung gusto nyong i-comment yung sagot ninyo, comment down below. And then we have letter B using intercepts naman. So madali lang din ito. So dito tayo sa number 5. We have 0, negative 3. So 0, tapos yung y coordinate natin is negative 3. Kaya mula dito hanggang dito. So this is 0, negative 3. And then, yung positive 1, 0 naman. So, positive 1, 0. Ibig sabihin, nandito mismo siya sa x-axis. So, this is positive 1, 0. Connect natin yung mga points. So, this is the line of these points. Ngayon, find the slope of the line, then describe the graph. Kagaya lang din ng letter E kanina, pwede kayong magbilang. Pwedeng pataas. So, magmula dito hanggang dito, 1, 2, 3, tatlo, diba? Over, to the right, 1. So, dapat 3 yung makuha natin using the formula. So, that is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, ang given natin is 0, negative 3, and 1, 0. This is x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. By substitution, ang y sub 2 natin is 0 minus negative 3 over x sub 2 is 1 minus x sub 1 is 0. So, negative times negative 3 is equal to positive 3 over 1 minus 0 equals 1. Okay? So, ang slope natin is 3 over 1 or 3. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, tumaas siya ng 3 beses, kaya positive 3. And then to the right, positive 1. So, tama naman yung nakuhang value. Therefore, the graph is increasing ba or decreasing? Increasing kasi positive. Pataas siya. Next, dito naman sa number 7, we have positive 5, 0. Saan yung positive 5, 0? Nandito siya. Sa x-axis mismo. And then we have 0, negative 4. So, negative 4 dito. 0, negative 4, nandito siya. Connect the points. So, ganyan. Gumamit kayo ng ruler, ha? Ito yung 5, 0. Ito yung 0, negative 4. So, yan lang siya. Pataas din siya, di ba? From this point, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And yung run niya, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, kailangan, slope na masosolve natin is 4 over 5. So, that is equal to, ang y sub 2 natin is negative 4 minus ang y sub 1 natin is 0 over, ang x sub 2 natin is 0 minus ang x sub 1 natin is 5. Simplify, negative 4 minus 0 equals negative 4 over 0 minus 5 equals negative 5. Simplify, negative 4 times negative 5 magiging positive 4 over 5. So, tama naman yung nakuha natin kanina na 4 over 5. Ang graph natin is increasing din kasi positive. So, the graph is increasing. Alright? So, again, kayo na ang gumawa sa number 6 at number 8. I-comment nyo na rin yung sagot ninyo sa slope ninyo. Then, last one, using slope and a point naman. Ang gagawin natin dito, i-plot muna natin yung given na point na positive 6, negative 1. So, nasaan yung positive 6, negative 1? Tingin tayo sa x-axis, nandito yung 6. Yung y-axis natin is negative 1. So, nandito yung negative 1, kaya dito yung point natin. And then, para makuha natin yung isa pang point, gamitin natin yung slope na 5. So, yung 5, so ang slope natin is 5 over 1 kasi automatic na ang whole number may denominator na 1. So, ito yung rise natin, ito yung run natin. Ibig sabihin, from this point, tataas tayo ng 5 units. So, from this point, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, mag-stop na tayo dito. Tapos, yung run natin is positive 1. Kaya, to the right ba tayo or to the left? To the right kasi positive. So, dito na yung ating isang point. Ibig sabihin, dito natin i-connect yung, hindi na siya straight. So, dapat straight yan. This is positive 6, negative 1. And this is, maglagay tayo ng 7 dito. Positive 7 and positive 4. Alright? So, ganun din ang gawin ninyo dito. Dito naman, ang slope niya is negative 2. Ibig sabihin, from this point, bababa kayo ng 2 beses and then to the right. Okay? So, dito naman tayo kasi fraction. Ang slope natin is 3 over 5 and then positive 2, negative 4. So, nasaan dito yung positive 2, negative 4? Nandito siya. Okay? From this point, ano yung rise natin? That is positive 3. So, tataas tayo ng 3 beses from this point. 1, 2, 3. And then, positive din yung run natin. Kaya to the right tayo ng 5 beses. So, from this point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, dito yung isang point. And this is, so, dugtungan natin, this is 7, negative 1. Okay? Then, idugtong natin yung point. So, ganyan yung ating graph. Alright? So, ang slope natin is 3 over 5. Ngayon naman, dito sa number 12, negative 4 over 3, palitan ko to ng 4 para subukan ninyong negative 3, negative 3. So, saan dito ang negative 4, negative 4? Negative 4, negative 4. So, dito yung point natin. And then, ano yung rise natin? Tataas tayo ng 4 units. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, yung run natin is negative 3. Kaya to the left. So, from this point, 3 beses to the left. So, 1, 2, 3. So, nandito. Dugtungan na lang natin ng line. Nandito yung isang point. So, idugtong natin yung line. Yan na yung graph ng number 12. So, yung number 12 is decreasing siya. And then, yung number 10 is pataas siya. Kaya increasing. And then, ito naman, yung number 9, increasing din. Alright? So, sana nakatulong ito sa inyo. At kung nakatulong ito sa inyo, please don't forget to comment down below. At i-like nyo na rin ang video na ito. Pakishare nyo na rin sa mga classmates ninyo. Alright? Once again, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy at mag-aral lang mabuti. God bless you all and goodbye!